grammar for today, for Thursday. So this week we've been talking about conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions. We've been talking about how to fix run-on sentences, and we've been talking about how to make two simple sentences into a compound sentence. So we are going to review all of that today. So remember, a compound sentence is made of two simple sentences that are joined together by a conjunction. So and, but, or so. A comma comes before the conjunction. Conjunctions also join compound subjects and predicates. No commas are needed when we're joining subjects and predicates. Only when we're joining two simple sentences. So look at these simple sentence examples. We have, I bought eggs. They broke. I can make that a compound sentence by adding a conjunction. In this case, because they're two separate ideas, I can say I bought eggs, but they broke. Okay, look at the next one. You can eat an apple, you can eat an orange. I can put that together with a conjunction or. You can eat an apple or you can eat an orange. Marie and Phil were hungry. She made a sandwich. She made a salad. Okay, so I can say Marie was hungry, so she made a sandwich and a salad. Notice that in that first one, in that simple sentence there were two subjects, Marie and Phil, and so they were put together with the conjunction and. So even though we did use the word and, we did not need a comma here because we're joining together two subjects, not two simple sentences. And same thing here, the predicates were split up into two different sentences. She made a sandwich, she made a salad. But I can put that together and I can say she made a sandwich and a salad. Okay, so another way that you may end up with a compound sentence is when you're trying to fix a run-on sentence. So when two complete thoughts are put together, they form a run-on sentence. So we're going to correct a run-on sentence by separating it into two simple sentences. So Maya plays the drums. She also likes to play the tuba. Maya plays the drums. She also likes to play the tuba. If I wanted to make that a compound sentence, I can say, Maya plays the drums, but she also likes to play the tuba. These are the 4 conjunctions that we have been working with this week, and when to use them. So we would use and when we're joining together two similar ideas, two like ideas. We would use but when we're joining together two different ideas. We would use or when we join together two possible ideas. And we would use so if we were showing that the second idea happened because of the first. So, for example, it is raining outside, so I need to bring my umbrella. You need to bring your umbrella because it's raining. All right, so conjunctions can join subjects and predicates too. So for example, in this sentence, Karen and Jack read and write in class. Okay, the subject here is Karen and Jack. There's 2 of them, so it's conjoined together with the conjunction and. And then the predicate in this word or in this sentence is read and write, because what are they doing? They're reading and writing. And read and write are joined together with the conjunction and as well. All right, let's look at some sentences. These are 2 simple sentences that we want to put together to make a compound sentence. So the first set of simple sentences we have say, we see reptiles at the pet store. We like the snake. What conjunction could I use to make a new compound sentence, to put these simple sentences together to make a compound sentence? All right, good answers. I used and. So now my compound sentence reads like this. We see reptiles at the pet store and we like the snake. Okay, let's look at another example. You might not know how to care for pets. You can ask the pet store worker how to care for a pet. So this is an example of a run-on sentence. Notice how there's not a period after each thought. It just kind of keeps going. It's like a constant train of thought. And that does get confusing for your readers to read. So let's fix it. We don't need a run-on sentence. We're going to fix it by adding a conjunction. What conjunction do you think we can add to this sentence, this run-on sentence, to make the compound sentence make sense? All right, so I added the conjunction so. You might not know how to care for pets, so you can ask the pet store worker how to care for a pet. Remember that conjunction so is used when you're saying that the second idea is because of the first idea. So if you don't know how to care for pets, you can then ask the pet store worker how to care for a pet. All right, your next example, pets need a safe place to sleep. Check to see if your pet needs a special cage. Again, these are two simple sentences that we want to put together to make a compound sentence. So think about what conjunction we could use. I used so again. Pets need a safe place to sleep, so check to see if your pet needs a special cage. Many pets are happy to have a new home. They are new family members. Again, this is a run-on sentence. That first part doesn't really make sense with the second. So I'm going to figure out a way that I can put these two thoughts together, but I have to use a conjunction. Which conjunction do you think you could use to fix this run-on sentence? And I use the word and. Many pets are happy to have a new home, and they are new family members. All right, so we have 4 simple sentences here, and I want to put them together to make 2 compound sentences. So I have Jack hikes, the dog runs, they want to walk, it is raining outside. So I'm going to use some conjunctions. I'm going to say Jack hikes, and the dog runs. They want to walk, but it is raining outside. Because remember, the but we use when we are joining 2 opposite ideas. So like they want to walk, but they can't because it's raining. This is another example of a run-on sentence that we need to fix. It says the cat purrs, she likes to sleep in the sun. I changed that to the cat purrs and she likes to sleep in the sun. Because those are 2 things that the cat does. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to use what you've learned today and you're going to apply it. So you are going to write a sentence for each conjunction. You're going to try to write a compound sentence using each conjunction, and then you're going to answer the questions that follow. I hope you have a great day. Please make sure you reach out to your teachers if you have any questions. We'll see you tomorrow.